Deepfakes are one of the most fascinating and controversial technologies of our time. At their core, deepfakes are synthetic videos, images, or audio generated by artificial intelligence. Instead of traditional editing, a deepfake uses machine learning models, especially neural networks, to learn the details of a person's face, voice, and expressions. Once the system understands these patterns, it can recreate them in a completely new context, making someone appear to say or do things that never actually happened. The power of deepfakes comes from training on massive data sets. The more the AI sees, the better it becomes at blending real and fake elements until the result looks almost indistinguishable from reality. This is why deepfake videos can be extremely convincing. Lighting, shadows, skin texture, micro-expressions, even breathing movements can be mimicked with high accuracy. Although deepfakes originally emerged as experimental tools for entertainment and film production, their impact now reaches far beyond creativity. On the positive side, they can restore voices for people who have lost them, recreate historical figures for education, or help movie studios reduce production costs. In controlled environments, deepfake technology opens the door to new storytelling and digital art. But the risks are significant. Deepfakes can be used to create misleading political content, identity theft, fake evidence, and non-consensual videos that harm real people. As the technology becomes more accessible, detecting deepfakes is becoming a critical part of digital literacy. Researchers are developing detection systems that analyze eye-blinking patterns, facial inconsistencies, pixel noise, and audio mismatches. Still, the race between deepfake creation and deepfake detection continues, making trust in digital media more fragile than ever. In the end, deepfakes are not inherently good or bad. They are simply powerful tools. What matters is how society chooses to use them. Understanding what deepfakes are, how they work, and why they matter is the first step toward navigating a future where seeing is no longer the same as believing.